What if Excel could make decisions for you? Instead of checking values manually, Excel can automatically tell you what is high, what is low, and what action to take. In this video, I will show you a simple formula that turns your Excel into a decision-making tool. This formula is called if. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to learn the if formula in Excel. This formula helps you make decisions based on conditions. And once you learn this, your Excel skills will go to the next level. If you are learning Excel step by step, make sure to subscribe. I share simple and practical Excel tips every week. Let's say we have sales data and we want to identify quickly which sales are high and which sales are low. Now imagine doing this manually for hundreds of rows. It will take a lot of time. So we need Excel to do this automatically. If formula works like this: if something is true, do this. If something is false, do something else. Simple. Click on a new column. Type is equal to if, bracket open. Now we write the condition. Select total amount. Type 20,000. If condition is true, write high sale. If condition is false, write low sale. Close bracket and press enter. And just like that, Excel made a decision for you. Drag the formula down. Now every row is classified automatically. If you want to highlight these low and high values visually, check out my conditional formatting video. You can use if formula in many ways: sales analysis, performance tracking, reports, decision making. This is one of the most used formulas in Excel. Once you learn if, you can combine it with other formulas and create powerful Excel solutions. You can also combine if with XLOOKUP to build smarter reports. Watch my XLOOKUP video for that. Now your data is not just numbers, it is giving meaning. Excel is now helping you make your own decisions. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more practical Excel tips, and tell me in the comments what else do you want Excel to do for you. Thank you.